Hey guys, so today I did this summer style full locks this summer. This is my very first time doing full locks on myself or even by myself. Like, I've never done full locks before. So I'm using this deep wave hair, free choice deep wave, because I wanted some curly ends in some of them. I only got one pack because I wasn't using it for my whole head. And then I also braided some with some molly hair because I was wrapping it with molly hair anyways. This molly hair was not new, I've used it before. I just used it again because I could save money by not buying new ones, because this hair will be wrapped under the other one anyways. So I just braided the roots, and once my hair stopped, I just twisted the ends, like loose twists. You don't really have to have perfect twists because they will be wrapped anyways. Plus, I also big chopped my hair, I think at the end of December if I'm not mistaken. But I'm trying to grow it back. It's been growing very slowly, but it's getting there. Anyways, I just twisted that, and then I did the back, some of the back with deep twist here, because I also wanted some curly in the back and some in the front and some in the side. So I'm using this ombre color, and what I did was, since it has this ombre at the end, I hold it in the middle where the black are. So I used black to wrap the roots of my hair, since my hair is black anyways. That way it could transition into that ombre color. And I also used this other Jamaican twist to finish it, because since I was using it, since I started to wrap it at the black part of the hair ended up being too short, so I added this Jamaican twist. It was basically the same color, and I just ended up using that to make it long enough for the length that I wanted. And I'm just gonna show you guys, there will be another one to show you guys exactly how I wrap them. It was very easy. Just don't twist the hair, actually like wrap it and not twist it. So sometimes in between I would like fluff the hair a little in the middle, that way I could end up wrapping instead of twisting the hair, because it will turn into a twist if you don't wrap it. So sorry guys, I also have hyperpigmentation skin, and my pimples have been out of control lately, and I've been trying to get rid of them. So if you guys have any suggestions on how to remove acne, it would be great, because mine are out of control. I also use this thread thing that I got from my local beauty supply store to decorate my hair, and I just wrap that around. Like, you could wrap it however you want. I just wanted, that little look. But the style was really fun. I really liked it, and I think right now I've had it for like a week or two now in my head, and it was really nice. The only downside was where I work, I have to have my hair up all the time, so not really fun. I guess I should have thought of that before I did this style. Anyways, bye guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. Bye.